I don't know how long it's been, but I've been on the floor for a while. Had a quick nap. So, it's been about 10 minutes by the looks of that thing. Whoa, what happened to you? Why have you stopped? Resume. There you go. 10 more minutes on that. And then this says it's at about 5. Hey, somebody left this next to the oven. It'll make it easier to grab. Won't burn myself now, probably. So that's, he's been defrosting for a while. Probably, gonna be just about fine on 5 minutes now. Although it probably says cook from frozen. No, I don't really care that much. It's not like mozzarella's gonna poison me, is it? The mozzarella isn't anthrax or fucking cyanide or whatever the shit. No, fucking cardboard. There we go. Get that out of the way. Fucking plastic bag in a cardboard box. Brilliant. What have we got? That's a bread knife. There's my, there it is. Let's get this chopping. Oops, dropped my phone. Get this, probably the toughest plastic bag I've ever bought. You know, as if this is a difficult fight. How many did it say was in here? I dropped the box. It says 12. I should probably count them. Check I got the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I got the right amount. I'm just going to stick 6 in here. Stick 6 in the oven for my dinner. Come back, dude. Friggin' mozzarella stick villain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's right. So, there we go. Stop myself from burning myself. Oh, it's actually really not that hot. Goodness me. There we go. Stick that in there for the last. Give it a bit more time. There we go. Because I took so long to stick them in there. And then the rest. Where's the opening on the bag? Where did I cut it open? There it is. I'm just gonna fold that over. Stick it back in the freezer. Yeah, there you go, boy. There we go, boy. Alright. Pop that back together. There we go. Back in the freezer you go. There we go. Got the flip the knife around a bit. I dropped it. See, that's why I'm not throwing it in the air, because I'm pissed. Now, I always recycle, even if it's like the tiniest fragment of a piece of all time. I always recycle. There we go. Always recycle. That's important. You know, even though big corporations and celebrities are currently flying around on big old private... Oh, there's oil in this. You know, oil has a lot of There's a cat there. Hello, Albus. We keep his food out there so that he can't eat it. Steal it out of the tin. He doesn't like it very much. He's mean about it sometimes. But yeah, oil is special because it's got a lot of calories in it. So I'm just gonna... Oh, that tastes foul. Don't recommend raw oil. Tastes yucky. Don't recommend. How long did this say again? 5 minutes. And this said... Sorry, that's not... Yeah, 5 minutes. Sorry, I had to tap on my screen to stop it from being, like, blown out. That's entirely my fault. And then I also need to keep an eye on these muffins to put back in the oven after I'm done cooking in there, because we need to keep this safe. So yeah. Hi cat. Albus cat. Hi Albus.